The Heritage Malta Student Passport scheme allows every student who attends a school in Malta free visit to all Heritage Malta sites and museums except the Hypogeum and Underground Valletta. Once the student has gone to 10 sites or museums, they are given a visa. This visa gives the student the very unique opportunity to visit sites that are usually closed to the public. Every year we choose 3 sites which then are open to this specific kind of audience who have shown their interest maybe a bit more than others into our sites and museums. These visits are all for free, and students and parents who want to know more about these visits, all they have to do is follow the Heritage Malta Kids and Heritage Malta Facebook page so that they will know when these visits will take place.